More than 18,271,364 BTC are in circulation, with a total coin supply of 21 million. While Bitcoin accounts for 63.8% of the cryptocurrency market capitalization, it isn't the only coin to keep an eye on. Tether USD, for example, is a popular stablecoin that sees more daily transactions than Bitcoin. That's not even including Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies. Of course, you'll need a reliable platform to take advantage of the market's incredible savings interest rates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We'll examine one such website in our Celsius Network review. Here's all you need to know about Celsius Network, so you can decide if it's appropriate for you. Hello, we're Finance Functionality, and we're here to help. Celsius Network's interest rates, usability, security, reputation, and fees are examined in depth in our Celsius Network review. We dissect every aspect of the service, so you can make an educated decision. But first, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that you've turned on the notification feature for more videos like this. Have you considered putting your new cryptocurrency to good use? Many people keep their crypto on an exchange or in a wallet, allowing their valuable coins to build digital dust. But what if you could enhance your holdings while you hodl? If you're anything like me, you've spent endless hours looking for ways to stack more sats. That's when I came across Celsius Network, where you can quickly deposit your coins into their interest accounts and begin receiving passive income right away, with no fees or lockup requirements. Celsius Network is a financial management platform that allows users to earn interest and borrow funds in cryptocurrency. The network has an app for both Android and iOS devices. CEL, the platform's native cryptocurrency, was launched as an initial coin offering in May 2018. They raised $50 million during the ICO, gaining exposure for the native coin in the process. Since then, CEL has done admirably. It has a year-over-year performance of 3,767%. Customers can earn extra interest on their savings accounts by using the utility token. In addition, when you take out a loan, you'll get interest rate cuts if you pay it back on time. So what network supports coins? There are around 30 different cryptocurrencies to choose from. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uniswap, Chainlink, Tether, USD Coin, and Tether Gold are some of the most widely used digital currencies and stable coins. So how did the Celsius Network come to be? It's a result of the innovations of a true Renaissance guy. Here's everything you need to know about the early days of Celsius Network and its remarkable creator. Celsius Network CEO and founder is Alex Mashinsky. Mashinsky assisted in the development of Voice over Internet Protocol before introducing this platform. For those unfamiliar with VoIP, it is the technology that allows us to communicate via the internet without relying on telephone networks. Mashinsky owns over 35 patents and has launched several successful enterprises, including Arbanet. Arbanet Corporation made an initial public offering in 2004, with a market value of more than $750 million. He also founded Transit Wireless, which was valued at $1.2 billion at the time of his departure. Mashinsky's YouTube channel is still operational. Every Friday, he holds Ask Mashinsky Anything events in which he engages with the community. For the Money Over Internet Protocol series, he also conducts interviews with some of the top figures in the crypto world. Jonathan Levin of Chain Analysis and presidential candidate Brock Pierce have both been interviewed on previous episodes of MOIP. Alex has a wealth of experience in the technology industry and is now focusing his efforts and time on assisting others in achieving financial independence. Cryptocurrencies and the blockchain, he argues, are two critical vehicles for attaining these goals. Their system's brilliance mainly relies on over-collateralized loans, which means borrowers must produce collateral worth more than the loan they are taking out. As the value of such collateral declines, depositors might sell the money to regain the loan's importance as a fail-safe mechanism. So what makes Celsius unique? What, if any, are some of its flaws? Let's have a look. What I find appealing about Celsius: 0 fees. Withdraw any amount at any moment without incurring any fees or penalties. One of the most appealing characteristics of the Celsius platform has to be this: as long as the withdrawal amount is at least $1, you will never be charged for accessing your cash. This is a significant benefit for small-time investors, especially with Ethereum gas fees reaching all-time highs. Unfortunately, Celsius is paying $20 million each year in withdrawal fees, so understandably, they're searching for alternatives such as integrating with Cardano to save money. High interest and bonus rates. They just increased their rates to previously unheard of heights with no limits. For starters, the base rate for stablecoins has been increased to 12.50%, Earn in 6.2% on up to 2 BTC for US customers who are unable to earn in CEL. It remains to be seen whether these rates will endure. No minimum deposit requirements. Although this has been the norm in the lending industry, it is one of the few platforms with no deposit minimums when Celsius first debuted. As a result, even $1 can earn you interest. I've done it myself and have continued to make interest, though at a low rate. This is a valuable feature of Celsius. You may deposit as little or as much as you want to try out the platform before committing to a larger payment. Compounding interest. After repeated requests from the community, they've finally incorporated compounding interest. This means that the interest you earns interest as well. Keep in mind that the advertised APY includes the compounding impact. With $1,000 in your account and an interest rate of 8.69%, you will have $86.09 at the end of the year. Consider this. The APY indicated is precisely what you'd get if you left your money in your account for a year without touching it. No lockup requirement. With Celsius, you don't have to lock up your money for a set length of time to earn interest. Users are not penalized if they withdraw their funds at any point. Security measures. When securing your account, it's always a good idea to use two-factor authentication. Furthermore, Celsius will send you an email whenever a new login to your account occurs. As an added degree of security, they will need to address safe listing confirmations and crypto withdrawals via email. Instant withdrawals, as long as you stay under the daily limit. Withdrawals have processed almost instantly in my experience. A terrific and convenient upgrade over services like BlockFi, which process withdrawals in one business day. However, some prefer the time delay for additional security. Oh my goodness, the Celsius network sounds fantastic. Please share your ideas in the comments area before we go on to the disadvantages. We would want to hear from you. Consider the following: weekly rate fluctuations. When it comes to earning interest on a platform, I believe many consumers seek consistency. We don't want to be promised we'll make X and then have it change to Y a week later. Although the weekly rate adjustments allow Celsius to adjust to ever-changing crypto demand and supply, it might be unsettling for users to keep track of their changing rates. In addition, because of the decreased rates, users may need to shift funds out, depending on their value threshold. Of course, if prices rise, this will be a positive development for all users, but we can't always be so optimistic. Slow support. Many platforms have been overloaded by demand, and I've observed similar troubles on other platforms, so this isn't a new problem. And to be clear, Celsius support has rectified all of the concerns I've raised, but unfortunately they have a habit of taking their time. I've had to remind them of unsolved tickets in the past, and following up on issues without a timetable can be difficult. That said, if difficulties aren't resolved after a month, it indicates to me that things are moving slower than they should. Don't get me wrong, problems are always resolved. At some point, it only necessitates the user's patience and diligence. Only available on mobile devices. They only provide access through a mobile app, iOS, and Android. They haven't yet added web access or a desktop wallet, but they hope to do so soon. Country restrictions. This is quite normal and most platforms have limits. Check the restrictions to ensure you have access to the things you require regardless of where you live. 24-hour address lock. Each coin can only have one withdrawal address added. If you need to send money to someone else, you must do so using the app. When you change your withdrawal address, you'll have a 24-hour withdrawal lock on that currency. Better security, but it comes at a cost. To earn interest, you must pass KYC. You can open an account and deposit funds to your wallet without passing KYC. But to earn interest, you must submit all required information, including your social security number for US users. So far, Celsius has had an immaculate track record, and I haven't had many troubles, and the support team has resolved minor concerns. They encapsulate the essence of the crypto world, and individuals who are more interested in DeFi projects may feel more at ease in the CeFi arena. Of course, you'll have to decide whether Celsius is the best fit for you at the end of the day, as usual. There are numerous loan platforms available, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Do your research and stay educated. That concludes our look at the Celsius network. What should be our next topic? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this.